In my previous class or in previous video, I taught you all about public and private healthcare services with the example of Hakim Sheikh, who was a member of a Mazdoor Samiti, and he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered massive injuries and did not get admission in any government hospital. And finally, Hakim Sheikh went to the court, and the court directed the state government to reimburse the amount of money Hakim Sheikh spent on his treatment at the private hospital. So here is another case study I am going to discuss today about two friends, Anmol and Madan. Anmol parents were poor while Madan belonged to a well-to-do family. It was it so happened that both fell ill due to the viral fever, but Madan was taken to a big hospital which had modern facilities because his father had to pay 500 rupees at the reception before the doctor examined Madan. The hospital was well managed and the hospital staff was very caring. The doctor said that Madan would have to undergo certain tests. So he was taken to the laboratory where a lady took his blood sample. He was very efficient. The results came the next day. The doctor prescribed some expensive medicines and asked him to take rest. There was no need to be worried. On the other hand, Anmol's experience of hospital was not at all pleasant because he was not belong to a very good family or well-to-do family. So after much debate, Anmol's father took him to a government hospital. As his father had anticipated, they had to wait in a long line in front of the OPD counter before their turn came. The long wait made Anmol sick and weaker. As the doctor had been examining too many patients, he was in a bad mood. He sent Anmols to get some tests done. Again, they had to stand in a long queue for the test. The test results came after 8 days. Again, a visit to the OPD. Only this time, they found another doctor. He prescribed some fever reducing pills. So in this case, both Anmol and Madan had viral fever, which was cured by taking fever reducing pills, but only at different cost. While Madan's father had to spend 3,500 in cost, Anmol's father only 150 rupees. So this is the example where the poor people suffered with the in the government hospital, and at the same place private hospitals are well improved, and this is the differences of public and private hospital. Now, the public health services is a government undertaking which provide medical treatment both in rural as well as urban areas. In villages, it maintains health centers run by a nurse and a village health worker. So, the health center work a mobile clinic, provide quick healthcare service to the poor. Under the supervision of Public Health Center PHC doctors, it covers many villages together. Next in the district hospital at the district level. Whereas in cities there are many government hospitals. Public hospitals provide services to all either free or at a very low cost. So the money to run public hospitals come from us, the public, to provide quality healthcare services to all. Besides treating the general public, these hospitals also take up the task of prevention of spread of disease like TB, jaundice, malaria, cholera, etc. Nowadays, we are facing corona. It is a very big disease which is spread in all over the world, and we are just facing so many problems related to this. Now, after public health center, we are just going to discuss about private health facilities. In my next video, I will explain you all private health facilities. Thank you.